Stop scrolling. Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you've made money while you were sleeping. No boss, no office, no working all day. This is becoming a reality thanks to artificial intelligence. AI is changing how people make money online. Today, you can build automated income streams that work for you 24 hours a day. And the best part? You don't need experience, you don't need expensive equipment, and you can start using just your phone. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help you make money while you sleep in 2026. We'll start from number 5 and work our way to number 1. Make sure you stay until the end because the number 1 tool is the most powerful of them all. Let's get started. Number 5. Durable AI. Durable AI is an AI website builder that allows you to create websites in just a few minutes. Instead of spending hours building a website, Durable uses artificial intelligence to generate everything automatically. This includes website design, business content, contact pages, and service pages. So how do you make money with Durable AI? You can create affiliate websites, service websites, or even build websites for small businesses. Many small businesses need websites but don't know how to create one. You can use Durable AI to build a website in minutes and charge clients for it. Another powerful strategy is creating niche websites. For example, you can create websites about AI tools, online business, or passive income. Then monetize them using ads, affiliate links, or digital products. Once your website is live, it can continue generating income automatically, which means you're making money even while you're sleeping. Number 4. Pictory AI. Pictory AI helps you turn scripts into videos automatically. This is powerful because you don't need editing experience. You simply paste your script and Pictory generates a full video. It automatically adds stock footage, subtitles, and background music. This makes content creation much faster. So how do you make money with Pictory? You can create YouTube videos, marketing videos, or social media content. Some creators even run multiple YouTube channels using AI video tools. Once your videos are uploaded, they can continue getting views, and views can turn into income. This makes Pictory a powerful automation tool for building passive income. Number 3. CapCut. CapCut is one of the most powerful free editing apps available right now. CapCut now includes AI features such as AI voiceover, auto captions, background removal, and AI video editing. So how do you make money with CapCut? You can create YouTube videos, TikTok content, Instagram Reels, or Faceless content channels. Many creators are making money by creating faceless videos using CapCut. You can also offer video editing services to clients. Businesses need video content every day. You can create videos using AI and get paid for it. And once your content is online, it can continue generating views and income. This makes CapCut one of the best AI tools for beginners. Number 2. 11 Labs. 11 Labs allows you to create realistic AI voiceovers that sound like human voices. This opens up many money-making opportunities. You can start a faceless YouTube channel, create audiobooks, offer voiceover services, or create automated content. For example, you can create YouTube videos without showing your face or using your own voice. Just generate a script, convert it to AI voice, and add visuals. Many faceless channels are already using 11 Labs to create professional-sounding videos. You can monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. Once your videos are online, they continue generating income automatically. This makes 11 Labs a powerful AI tool for passive income and automation. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available today. It can help you generate business ideas, write scripts, create content, and automate tasks. So how do you make money with ChatGPT? You can start freelancing, create digital products, build online businesses, or start faceless YouTube channels. Many creators use ChatGPT to generate content quickly. This allows you to create more content faster, and more content means more opportunities to earn. You can even combine ChatGPT with the other AI tools on this list to build a fully automated income system, which means you're building income even while you sleep. AI is changing how people make money online. You no longer need years of experience or expensive equipment. With the right AI tools, you can start building passive income today. To recap, here are the 5 AI tools. Number 5, Durable AI. Number 4, Pictory AI. Number 3, CapCut. Number 2, 11 Labs. Number 1, ChatGPT. If you start now and stay consistent, you can build your own AI-powered income system. Subscribe to AI Wealth Odyssey for more AI tools, passive income ideas, and automation strategies. Thanks.